Welcome to my podcast, Shangri-La with Ila Anand Acharya. Welcome to the second season of my podcast, and I'm very happy to announce that this is the season where you are going to enjoy each and every day, each and every episodes, because I am again going to give you some motivational, inspirational talks and also some tips and techniques to use in our daily life so that we can live our life to the fullest. So the very first episode of season 2 is waking up early in the morning. Yes, it is very much important for us to wake up early in the morning because, as it is said, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. So, I just want to say that uh, we need to have a very solid reason of why we need to wake up early in the morning. Otherwise, waking up early in the morning without any reason is not going to lead to anywhere. And it is very difficult actually to wake up early in the morning because I personally is a very lazy lazy person, and I love to sleep. I can say my favorite thing which I want love to do is sleeping. So but I just want to add to that waking up early can really change your life, can really make you a successful person. So there are many techniques, there are many ways in which you can wake up early in the morning, but the one which I have started using is the 5 second rule. This is a technique given by one of the motivational speaker, Mel Robbins, and she just say that as soon as the alarm goes on, then the very second you have to count backwards, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you have to just wake up from the bed. No snooze button, nothing, and then start your day. So this backward counting and the very first 5 seconds is going to decide your entire day. So this technique I am using since last 4 months, because earlier I used to wake up at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, depending on how my schedule is. But now I'm waking up early, almost at 5:30, and once the alarm goes on, I just wake up. Without even counting, I just wake up, do my meditation for 5-15 minutes, and then I can carry on with my work. And usually after that half an hour of you know uploading my episode and doing the meditation, I again go for a sleep for 15-20 minutes. This is my way, because the meditation and that relaxation, listening to that relaxation music and 5-15 minutes of again the sleep is giving me more boost up to work as per my schedule. So please try to wake up early in the morning. And yeah, initially it will be difficult, it will be very difficult. You would be putting your snooze button again and again, and you will decide to wake up at 5 and you will wake up at 8, and it will happen. But please try, and you will really see the difference in your life, in your way of living, and even in health and wealth and all the areas of your life. So I would add that there is one very famous book is uh, uh, 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. So that book is also very awesome, and it has given all the techniques why you should wake up early in the morning, and what are the advantages and what are the techniques. So you should read it. I haven't read it yet, but I have just hear the reviews about it, and it is awesome. So please try to wake up early in the morning. try to plan out your day early so that you can lead a very happy and a successful life. Thank you so much for listening to my very first episode of season 2 of my podcast Sangrila with Ila Anantacharya. Thank you so much.